pick her up from the garden to be mine. Good day guys, and welcome to our channel. Well, I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the difficulty of our situation nowadays because of COVID-19. Today we will talk about pesto. Pesto is a kind of sauce that falls under the category of pureed sauce. Pesto enhances the flavor of dishes made from brown sauce, bechamel sauce, velouté, and most especially tomato sauce. And it is also sometimes used as marinade. And the best thing is that to make pesto, we don't have to cook it. We will just be putting all the ingredients in a blender and then pass it on. Blend it until liquefied, smooth and fine. By the way, if this is your first time in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe, like, click the notification bell, leave an honest comment. And should you think that our video is worth sharing with your friends, please do share. So guys, without further ado, let us start. And our ingredients for our pesto are... For our pesto, these are the ingredients that we need. Of course, our olive oil, and then our fresh basil leaves, our garlic, and then of course the nuts. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to find pine nuts because of the lockdown, so I will just be using peanuts. So we'll start. Okay, now we'll just have to put all the ingredients in a blender. First, the olive oil. We'll make sure that the blade is dipped in oil. And then next, we'll add the garlic. Then we'll start to chop. And then we'll add the basil, fresh basil from the garden. And then the nuts. Then we'll just have to blend it thoroughly until it's fine, smooth and fine and liquefied. There. Okay, now it's done. Finished. We now have our pesto. So guys, here now is our pesto. It's already done. Well, I believe that I have clearly shown you guys how to make a pesto. Our main ingredients for our pesto are fresh basil leaves, garlic, nuts, and olive oil. But for best result, I suggest use pine nuts. In the recipe that I have just made, I use peanuts because I couldn't find any pine nuts available. For best result, use the pine nuts. For all of you first timers, this is now the best time for you to subscribe. Click the thumbs up button showing that you like our video. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next uploading of video. Also, please don't forget to leave your honest comment based on what you have seen on our video. And before I forget, should you think that our video is worth sharing with your friends, please do share. So, Thank you for watching. See you next video. And please, stay safe at all times. This is Chef Ben Casabon, signing off. And God bless us all.